Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2013 Cadillac SRX we're going to be working on. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. We're going to pop the hood. To pop the hood, there is a, right next to the kick panel, right here, there's a little lever with a hood. Just pull that lever. To release the safety, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the driver's side, lift it up. There's an underhood fuse box right here. There's a lock tab right here. You're going to squeeze those, and also right here. You squeeze those. When you squeeze those, you can pull that up. There's one on the back here. Pull that one up as well. Those unlock it. On the back of the cover, there's a key so that you can find the appropriate fuse or relay that you're looking for. And there's a little tool right here. Pull this tool out, pull it straight up. This side will pull out the smaller fuses. Right here, you can just lock it on a fuse. You pull the fuse straight out. To pull the fuse out, you just squeeze right here. Pull the fuse out. You can see if it's blown or not. This one's not blown. To reinstall the fuse, you just push it right back in place. This side will remove the bigger fuses. Pull that fuse out. You can see whether it's blown or not. And reinstall. Push it in place. Reinstall the tool. Push that down, lock it in. You can reinstall the cover. Slide it over, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.